Yo, that's your boy Sparta King Sparta, life and direct out there, you know what I mean? Thanks to Muslim TV and the Hustlers TV, you know what I mean? They are the one who asked me why you don't make a video about yourself and why you don't talk about yourself, why you don't talk about your channel and something like that, you know what I mean? Today I'll be coming live and direct out with you people with a new video. Boom! Okay guys, Muslim TV said, Sparta King Sparta, why you didn't make a videos about yourself and your studio where you record your videos? Yeah, I always think about that, you know, making a videos about myself and making a videos with my friends, you know, making some challenge, street quiz and something like that, you know what I mean? But it's because of, you know, lack of space. You know, where I live, I don't have much space, you know, because it is very small, but I'm trying to get a new compound and, you know, I get a new place that, you know, I have my own home studio and, you know, I can build so many things inside that studio that, you know what I mean. So we'll be looking at that studio also later on, because for now, you know, we have to talk about this problem that, you know, is going on. You know. About the Hustlers TV, you know, the Hustler TV said you are doing a good job, but can you make a street quiz and challenge, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm also working on that. We have already make like 2 videos about challenge. So, but still now we don't publish it because, you know, like there's a lot of things that, you know, we have to talk about. So I can't just lost and upload it, you know what I mean? Because I have some other people behind me also. And yeah, we will do that. I promise that we will do that, you know. Things will be coming good and good and good. That's about Sparta King Sparta. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kan mooy Sparta ak, you know, naka la Sparta ñëwee ba commencé things, you know, like suma real tur landing la. Yeah, Bakaw laa juddoo, Bakaw laa defee suma yëf, you know, Bakaw laa yaroo. So after like around 2015 laa génn Gambia. Ma ñëw maa ngi léegi Italy, you know, doing everything, you know. I'm also working with my YouTube channel, you know. So please don't forget to subscribe for more, you know. And there's something that I want to tell you. If you are highly recommended, or you see that I have give you a pin in my comments, please link me back, you know what I mean? If you get a pin in your comments, link me back. You will get one of these highly recommended mic that, you know, I'm using. I don't know if, yeah, you can see it now. That's the one I'm using but now, you know. So, and there's another giveaways, you know, but we'll talk about the giveaways later. About the challenge that Muslim TV was talking about is like, we are working on it. Okay, then let me show you my new home studio that, you know, I was talking about, you know. It's because of this home studio that, you know, I can't even record my own video. You know what I mean? Like, even if I record a video, I will not get the quality the way I like it, you know what I mean? For now, I'm recording with my iPhone 6, so, see? This is a studio. This is the place that, you know, I'll be using my green screen and other things, you know what I mean? So, that is my place. I'll be using this light in the morning or in the afternoon. So in the evening I can also use my own personal light. So these batteries are for my camera. This is the camera case. And this one is a Boya mic. This one also is the other one. This is the wireless one. Mic. I'll be using this airpiece to. This one is a length for my phone, so that if I wanna record outside, I just cover it so that I'm using this. This is my CD and my USB. There is the green screen. This is everything that I have, and this is the best green screen that, you know, every YouTuber need. Believe me. That's the laptop, and we talk about my cameras. You know, there's my mic for the camera. That's my camera. But later we'll talk about this camera also, you know what I mean? Like this Nikon D5200. See it? Well, okay. That's the jack for my laptop. This one is a charger for the camera. And we're using this one also, don't worry. We'll talk about everything later. So, I'm coming inside, you know, with my things easily. things will be done. Except by Sparta, King Sparta. Please don't forget to subscribe for more and more and more. Now things will be changing, you know what I mean? I'll be promoting Gambian music, but less. I'll be making my own personal videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and share, you know what I mean?